This is question 4, and we are asked to identify whether something is an intensive or extensive property. Remember that extensive means that it changes due to external factors. So volume depends on how much you have. Mass depends on how much you have. And length depends on how much you have. Intensive means that it's part of the internal property, and so it doesn't matter how much you have, you're still going to be able to see that property. So color is usually the same throughout. You're going to be able to see what the color is, whether you have a small piece or a large piece. You can find out how hard it is, regardless of how much you have, how shiny, what it smells like, how shapeable it is, whether you can run electricity through it, and density. Density is the one that is the hardest for people to remember. But if we think about taking a cube and it has 2 grams as a mass and 1 cubic centimeter as a volume, then its density would be 2. If we double it, that's going to double the mass. So now we have 4 grams. And the volume doubles at the same time. But its density, mass divided by volume, stays the same. So even when you keep expanding it out, if I quadruple it, then 8 grams and 4 cubic centimeters as the volume, our density remains the same. So density is internal. It does not matter how much you have.